All right, I have some bad news and some good news. Bad news is we woke up this morning and the chickens and ducks were acting a little weird. Came outside, one of my ducks, one of the mamas sitting on her eggs, is no longer here. I don't know if a fox came in or possibly an owl. I found the body, all the feathers are plucked. Pretty sad. And we thought we lost Mama, one of our favorite chickens, but we found her probably an hour later. She came out of the woods, she was hiding. So something was here, something was going after them. That's the bad news. Good news is today a bunch of baby ducks hatched, which is cool because we didn't know if the heat killed all the eggs, but those are good. And the rest of the chickens are okay. So today I decided we're gonna put up the fencing on the posts that we put in. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it somewhere up in here. But all the posts are put in. So today I have all the stuff in here. Here's some of the fencing. We're gonna put all that up, and then we're gonna put the chickens in here today because I am sick and tired of these predators just being able to come out and steal one every week. It's just really, really annoying, and I'm not liking it. So we're gonna do that today, and hopefully that will stop the predators for a little bit. Later on we'll put in some electric fencing on the bottom and the top, so animals that climb up will get zinged, and then little mink and stuff on the bottom will try their heart to get it through, and they won't be able to. But that's the goal for today. And Dilly Bean's here, right back there. And so me and Dylan's here to help. We're gonna do that, and yeah, and then we'll let the animals in. So we'll go from there. we put up one strip. I decided to dig down, and then we're gonna come back with the excavator and just put in the dirt around it, so it'll be under the ground a little bit. I don't want anything trying to dig underneath. Dylan's going around putting in stakes to hold it down low, and then once we get it all in like this side, then I'll just come back with the machine and just put all these piles of dirt that I pulled up, sweep them in there, and then I don't know, I guess, right, Del? That's all we're doing right now. So I guess we'll just keep on rocking.
Done.
All right, we did, the camera died earlier, so we might miss some things, but we did this whole side, we got that whole side done, and then over there we did that one. So the only thing that's left is this side, the front, and we ran out of fencing right here, which isn't horrible because it's, I don't know, 15 feet to the end right there. So I have more fencing on the inside from the previous little area we fenced in, so we're gonna snag some of that, maybe grab tin or something, I don't know. I'm gonna put a fake door over there for now until we figure out exactly how we want to build this gate, because I don't want the fox and stuff to be able to get under it, so I got to figure out a way to make it so it can open but also can be flush with the ground. Maybe build a frame or something, I don't know. I'll figure that out later though. So we're just gonna fence right across it for now, and then we'll cut it later. But this is what this side looks like. Looks pretty good. And then the fence will get straightened out later when we'll add more stakes in between. That'll kind of tighten it a little bit, and then we'll cut some really skinny, you know, like this big probably, little trees, and we'll tie them into the top and run it across, and then that can grab this and lift it up. Once we do that, that won't be today though, that'll be whenever. There's other stuff we got to do, but yeah, once all that's done, then we'll put in electric fence on the top, and then we'll put an electric fence. I think I want to do one on the bottom too. Hopefully that might scare away mink, because they will get in if they really want to. It's kind of a tough animal to keep out. But yeah, that's the update right now. So we're gonna get this done, and then later tonight, once the turds, which are over there, see if I can zoom in, all the chickens over there, they will be away from the house and in here tonight, and then they can stop getting massacred by predators, and they can quit messing up my lawn, my landscaping, pretty much everything I have outside. Any new plant I put in the ground, they rip up and eat the roots. I don't know, but that should hopefully stop. Oh, let me show you the apple trees that we planted 2 weeks ago. The deer already found them, so we're gonna do that today too. We're just gonna put up some mesh stuff. Look, they don't have antlers yet, but they have decided that they want to break the branches and mess up all my stuff. So here's the other one. Yep, just breaking everything. So it's all right, I'll get them in October. But yeah, we're gonna go for that right now. So okay, got it all in, and this right here is just a scrap piece that we're gonna run across here. Dylan put 2 screws on the end to hold it, and pretty much once we're gonna wait until tonight so all the chickens are inside their coops, and then once they're in there, then we'll pick up the coops and run them over here. They're over there. We're gonna run them over here, put them inside. We'll put their food, water, all that stuff in here, and then we'll close this up. And once that's done, this should be their new home. And we need to wait a little bit though, because the ducks, they're actually hatching the babies like right now. So I'm gonna let them free range until they stop sitting on their nests. And then once that's done, then we'll corral them in here, open up the thing and try and scare them in. And once they're all in here, all their babies are in here, then this will be the forever home. So pretty pumped. I'm excited because once they're in here, then there's a lot of projects we can do out there that they can't mess up. So there's a little chippy that ran by. So anyways, like, subscribe, comment, do all that kind of good stuff, and I'll probably catch you on the next one if you stick around. So yeah.